So we have Samsung A32 5G. The problem is that the antenna right here is circled and we have no IMEI here. No IMEI. This could happen because of software and hardware problem, and most likely in this case it is hardware problem. Which transceiver, one of the pins of transceiver is lost, or maybe kind of unstable. So we need to find it, and let's take a look if we can find the problem or not. This is the layout for A32. And as I deeply seeked for the problem, I got that this pin of RF or transceiver is not stable, which shows a kind of breaking line, and we need to make a jumper from this pin number 3 from the bottom to the CPU, which I'll show you right now. Let's go to the CPU. From CPU side, yeah, there it is. Bottom left side, pin number 2, which is MIPI SCL. If we lose any MIPI line of any phone, the antenna will be circled and there will be showing no service. In this case we found the problem, so let me show you in microscopic side. Yeah, this is the line that we found it, which is not stable, but there is impedance which is variable. Let's just jump it. This is the jumper that we need to make it. The pin number 2, we brought it out of the CPU now, and now we need to install back the CPU and make that jumper from CPU to the RF, which we found that unstable pin. There we will see if the problem is gone or not, and solution is okay or not. Now the problem is solved and antenna is back. It's okay right now. Let's check IMEI itself. Yeah, IMEI is okay. Problem is solved. Yet we need to understand, as I already explained, pin number 3 from the bottom line, from here, exactly right here, to the CPU, which I showed you already. I made this jumper and I will make it better from some glue, a UV glue. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos like this, please inform us and support us from subscribing our channel, man. Thank you.